Ryan Brown from J. Ryan Brown Law. We're talking about possession with the intent to distribute charges in Carroll County, Georgia. It is not the most common drug offense we see, but it's certainly one of them. And what PWID, as we call it, is kind of a two-part drug offense that prosecutors have to prove. They have to prove that that the defendant possessed the drug and that the drug is in fact what they said it was. And they usually do that by showing, hey, it was in somebody's pocket or in their car or in their book bag. And then they have to show that it was a drug, or the drug they're accusing you of. So they send it off to the GBI to be tested chemically, okay? The next part is that they have to prove that you intended to distribute the drug, okay? So how can they prove that, right? Well, the number one way is that people don't use their right to remain silent and they confess and they tell the cops, hey, that's just Adderall. I was just going to give some to my roommate, right? That person has just confessed to possession with intent to distribute, okay? Maybe someone has a bunch of marijuana and then they have a bunch of baggies and a bunch of scales, and that can be used as evidence of intent to distribute. Maybe they have a cell phone that they gave permission for law enforcement to search, where they're texting people, arranging deals, right, for the drugs. That can be evidence of an intent to distribute. Those are the things cops have to prove for these: the possession, that it is a drug, and that there was an intention to distribute. So that's different than possession. They just have to prove that you possessed it and that it was a drug. It's different than trafficking. They have to prove that you possessed it and that it was a drug and that it met a certain weight level. Possession with intent is the only drug offense that maintains that specific intent, that you had the drugs and that you intended to give them away, distribute them, sell them, those kind of things. So it is unique and different from the other drug offenses. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. Call us at 470-635-1725 if you have any questions about your case whatsoever.